I'm Brittany with WTI, and though I love backpacking, I don't like always smelling like I'm backpacking.
And this NOVCAPAR portable shower helps you bring even the kitchen sink when you're backpacking. It comes in this awesome carry case bag and has everything you need. It's got the pump, which charges up easily. You hold on the button. It has a high-low option. It even shows you the temperature of the water that you're using. You just take out these little plugs and you have two spigot options. This is the shower head and you just attach this to the pump. You also have this awesome hook option. You can put the hooks on the top, on the bottom, whether to hang something on it or to hang it on a branch. We didn't have a lot of branches on our campsite, so we ended up not using this. If you fill up a collapsible bucket, you can just set this in. The suction cup feet on the bottom make it easier to make sure it stays in place and pumps the whole time you're using it. And the shower nozzle has 3 different spray functions, so I loved having this, especially having longer hair. It just made such a big difference being able to get it a nice good clean and made me feel so fresh even while out in the woods. I liked how the shower nozzle was easy to take apart just to make sure you give it a good clean, make sure there's nothing clogging it, and make sure when you take everything apart that you get all the water out so that when you put it in the bag, there's no mold issues. I like to keep it in the collapsible bucket and then you can just easily hang it up on your campsite. If you don't want to use a bucket, you can put it directly into whatever creek or river is nearby and wash dishes, wash your shoes, anything you need.
This was such a great addition to our backpacking backpack, and it's just great for camping in general. And that's my point of view.